Learn how to talk about shopping in English while having fun.
Hi, Sarah. Do you shop here often?
Yes, I come here every week. What about you? What are you shopping for today, David?
I need groceries and some snacks. You? Do you prefer fresh or frozen vegetables?
Fresh vegetables, they taste better. What about you? Do you enjoy grocery shopping, David?
Yes, I like picking my own ingredients. Do you use a shopping list, Sarah?
Yes, it helps me remember everything I need. Do you usually compare prices before buying, David?
Yes, I always look for the best deals. Do you buy branded products or store brands, Sarah?
I buy whatever fits my budget. What about you? Do you ever buy things you don't need?
Sometimes, especially when I see something interesting. Do you shop for clothes here too, Sarah?
No, I shop for clothes in another store. Do you like shopping alone or with someone, David?
I prefer shopping alone. It's quicker that way. Do you use reusable bags for shopping, Sarah?
Yes, I always bring them to save plastic. Do you like shopping in crowded stores?
Not really. I prefer quieter times. Do you enjoy shopping for gifts?
Yes, I love picking thoughtful gifts for friends. Do you find discounts important while shopping, David?
Yes, discounts help me save a lot of money. Do you shop for groceries weekly or monthly, Sarah?
Weekly, to keep everything fresh at home. Do you buy snacks often, David?
Yes, I always grab chips and chocolate. Do you plan your meals before shopping, Sarah?
Yes, it helps me buy only what I need. Do you shop online for groceries, David?
No, I prefer seeing the items in person. Do you check the expiry dates before buying, Sarah?
Always. It's important to avoid expired items. Do you ever shop at outdoor markets, David?
Yes, they have fresh produce and unique items. Do you spend a lot of time shopping, Sarah?
Not really. I like to shop quickly. Do you like shopping at big stores, David?
Yes, they have everything in one place. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget the subscribe button